Look at that. That definitely made my bottom lashes look so long. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about mascaras from Miniso, Japan. And I got this probably a week ago and I was saving this for a separate video. I'm actually currently filming my review for the Nichido Perfect Skin Stick Foundation. And while I'm testing this out, I decided to film this as I'm reviewing this because I'm finishing the look and I decided to make time for a review for this. If you guys don't know, I'm a big fan of Miniso and I always go there to check out some new stuff, and I did a few Miniso product reviews in the past and I did a review on their contour duo or like contour highlighter duo. I have two mascaras from them, from Miniso, and this one is the long-lasting curling mascara, this one. And the other one is the all-weather no smudge mascara. So I was thinking if I should do a separate review on each of these. But so for today, I think I'm just gonna do the long-lasting curling mascara because I don't want to open this yet. I'm really a fan of curled up lashes, so I like it when my mascaras keep my curls in place all day. So we're gonna see if this will give me volume and length, and at the same time if it's going to hold my curls in place all day. I think this was 99 pesos each. I have other mascaras there which are 149, but I just got this one because I don't know if it was on sale or that was the original price. We're just gonna open this up. So this is gonna be first impression video because I've never tried any mascara from Miniso yet. Alright, so this is how the mascara looks like. Cute. I really like the blue font that they use. And it says here, long-lasting curling mascara, curl up and lengthen lashes, waterproof, define each lash. And it actually looks like a big mascara. It's really big and I hope that there's a lot of product inside. It's gonna be my first time to see the wand, so let's see. Oh, okay, it has a rubber wand and it looks like this. As you can see, it's actually really nice. It's not too big and enough to not poke my eyeballs. So let's see if it will bend. Oh yeah, so it's actually really flexible, as you can see. And I don't know if that helps for applying your mascara a lot easier, but we will see. So I'm using my Shu Uemura eyelash curler. I'm looking at my left. It's because I'm looking at my screen just to make sure I'm in focus. So I'm just using my Shu Uemura eyelash curler. And let's just curl these lashes really well. I don't have an eyeshadow, I don't have an eyeliner, just so you can see my lashes really well with this mascara. So just curl that really quick. I don't know if you can see, but after curling my lashes, you can see right away really opened up my eyes. So curling your lashes really makes your eyes look awake. I like to pinch it a few times, like 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I like to curl it up like that. Alright. So now I'm just going to apply this. So it says here it's long-lasting curling mascara. So I really want to believe that. So we will see, because not all mascaras hold your curls. Normally waterproof mascaras hold your curls, but some mascaras tend to give weight to your lashes and it just brings your lashes down even if you curl it a few times. I'm not really concerned about the length or the volume that it will give. I'm more concerned about if it's going to hold my curls in place. Okay. So far, my eyelashes are not falling yet, but it's definitely not volumizing, but it's lengthening. It gives me a little bit of length, but it's not as volumizing as I thought it would be. But like I said, it's a curling mascara. I can see right away that this side is starting to droop down, which is not a good sign, because I tried the Maybelline, what do you call that? The Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara, and that holds curls really well. Okay, so I'm having smudges everywhere on my top lashes. On my top lid. And yeah, I can see already that, I don't know if you can see, but this side is starting to droop down, which I don't like. And I'm sorry if you can hear the heavy rain. It's raining really hard right now. And since it's the rainy season now, it's raining really hard. So this is the first layer. It did hold the curls on the front part of my lashes. So I'm just gonna do the same on this side, and I have to talk a bit louder because it's raining really hard. So just curl. Again, first I start at the base of my lashes, and I'm just pinching my curler a few times, like 1, 2, 3, and then I hold it, and then I start to curl up just a bit, not too much. Don't pinch it too hard because otherwise it's going to be too curly and it's going to make your lashes look short. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can hear me, but it's raining really hard right now. Oh my gosh. Okay, so just curl, pinch your curler like that. Okay, now let's apply on the other side. Okay, so what I like to do is, so when you're applying your mascara, make sure to put your mirror down like this, and then just wiggle the wand into your lashes. So there are a lot of different ways. Some girls like to blink into the wand like that, but I like to wiggle the brush from the base of the lashes to the top like that. That way you can coat each lashes evenly. And I like to fan it out like that. Okay, this looks a lot better, I think. I don't know if you guys can see. Oh, but it's definitely giving me some length, which is nice. And for some reason, this side looks better than this side. Ooh, that definitely looks really nice. That looks really nice. It did give me a lot of length. And actually, most of the time, I really like this side when I apply my lashes more than this one. But for today, for some reason, with this mascara, this side looks better. I don't know why. Ooh, that definitely hold the curls here even more. I don't know why. That looks nice, actually. Okay. I'm starting to be impressed. Whoa, that's nice. Alright, so that is the first layer of this mascara, and as you can see, it definitely gave some length, and I'm really impressed with how natural it looks. As you can see, it looks natural. It really fanned out my lashes. About the curling effect, of course, you need to curl your lashes first if you have straight lashes, or you need to have naturally curly lashes if you are reviewing this mascara, because I have really straight lashes, so I have to use a curler. But it definitely held my curls really well. For some reason, I don't know why, maybe I curled it the wrong way. Maybe I should have curled it even more or longer. So this one drooped down just a tiny bit. But for the rest of my lashes, it really held my lashes really well. It really held the curls up, and which is great, and it gave me a lot of length. And I'm just gonna do another layer, and we will see how volumizing or how lengthening it is. So we will see. It says here it's a lengthening mascara as well, so it's waterproof. So I don't know, like, I guess it is, but I don't really mind. Of course, if it's not waterproof, it's not going to hold lashes. So yeah. So now let's just apply another layer, and I'm actually really excited for this mascara because so far it's holding the curls really well, and I hate it when lashes are not holding the curls. So this is the second layer, you will see. Alright, so this is the second layer. Can see that it definitely lengthens my lashes. My lashes looks like twice longer than it normally is, which is great. So there you go. Right, so this is the second layer. I'm just gonna apply more just because I want to see. I don't really mind spidery lashes, so I'm just going to apply a second layer or third layer. Sometimes I apply 6 or 7 layers. It doesn't really matter, but wow, that actually looks really nice and fanned out. Okay, so let's just lift these. It didn't hold some of the curls right here, but that's fine. I like this. It definitely gave my lashes some length. Love that. Then onto the other eye. That's the consistency. It's actually like a gel consistency. Let's remove the excess. So what I like to do, and I always do this when I'm doing my videos, I always cover the mascara because I don't want this to dry fast. So while I'm applying mascara, I cover the actual tube and then I go ahead and apply the product. So start at the base. Make sure to wiggle the wand on the tip of the lashes. That's going to lengthen your lashes and you're just gonna coat them very well. Whoa, that's really long. Nice, nice. Ooh, look at that. Like, my eyelashes are like barely visible when I don't have mascara, but this really made my lashes long. I'm impressed, definitely. Okay, so now let's use this for my bottom lashes. Now when you're applying your bottom lashes, you need to hold your mirror up like this so it's easier for you to apply your mascara on your bottom lashes. Whoa, that's really lengthening. Has the tendency to get clumpy. All you need is a clean mascara wand like this. This is for my old mascara that I tried to break and then I got this. So now it looks like the disposable mascara wands. And so if it gets clumpy like that, all you have to do is to just get your clean mascara wand like this and just brush it like that. So this dries really fast. This formula dries really fast. So it might be difficult for you to separate your lashes once it gets clumpy. Make sure to fan out your lashes and remove the clumps as early as possible because it's so difficult to remove once it dries. So that's what we have so far. So like I said, while it's early, make sure that you fan out your lashes like this so that it won't get too dry and then it will be difficult to separate your lashes. Ooh. Oh, that really made my lashes look super massive, as you can see. And normally I don't really have long bottom lashes, but it definitely made my lashes look so much longer. Look at that. That definitely made my bottom lashes look so long. So if you're already used to applying your lashes, you're gonna apply this really beautifully. Why not apply a third layer? Why not? Third layer. We'll see. So for the third layer, I'm just going to apply this on the tip of the lashes. And it's still adding some length, which is amazing. Whoa. This is the final look, and I absolutely love this mascara. Let's just zoom this out. Alright. So honestly, I'm a big fan of this mascara. I don't know if you can see, but it definitely lengthened my lashes, and it really holds curls really well. And I believe that is waterproof, because in my experience, when a mascara is not waterproof, it's not going to hold your lashes in place. So for someone like me with very short lashes and it's barely visible when I don't have mascara or false lashes, I think that this is an amazing, very affordable mascara. I think that you should get this. It's very affordable. It's only 99 pesos from Miniso, and you get a lot of products, 7 grams inside. And it's definitely waterproof. It holds my curls in place, and I believe that it's going to last all day. And looking at it, it really did make my lashes look super massive and super long, and I love the finish. So it took me 3 coats to achieve this length. And as you can see, it looks so beautiful, and it's a bit spidery, but I'm a fan of really thick spidery lashes, but at the same time fanned out like this. So yeah, look at that. That is super long. And actually, I can make my lower lashes look more longer, but I think that it's gonna look unnatural, so I just leave it like this. But I really love this mascara. I highly recommend this. I think if you're looking for an affordable mascara that really works well, I think that you should get this. Again, it's the long-lasting curling mascara with the blue design like this. So the other one looks like this. It's white and purple. This one, I haven't reviewed this one yet, but I will do a review on this soon. So it's the all-weather no smudge mascara. Looks like this. So yes, that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed my review and demo. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click the notification bell so that you will be updated whenever I have a new video. And I hope to see you guys again next time. Bye!